Institute. From there, it was very hazy, and the sky is kind of orange and cloudy, and of course, emergency crews, cars lighting up the sky. But then we were pushed back a third time, where we are now at Shawnee Park, and that's where the staging area is for all the emergency vehicles. So you have local, state, county, all of their emergency personnel here staging, developing a game plan, and then the media has been pushed to a separate parking lot. So we're all just gathering here and waiting and kind of trying to figure out, you know, what to do and trying to get some information. But actually, I do see a Kanawha County Sheriff's officer walking over to us right now. I'm hoping that he is bringing us some information and not just, or maybe even a timeline of when we may get some information.
Don't know all that.
Yeah.
Nobody knew anything on it. West Charleston, around 25 to shut down from the Dunbar to Nitro. Okay. And about 60 shut down from South Charleston to St. Albans. Okay. You have to shut the place.
Right.
An explosion. We don't know what it is. It has not been released to us from the plant yet, so we don't know what.
How many people hurt, you know?
There was one confirmed injury. Okay. And they're telling us there was another plant employee that's missed, but that's not located.
Okay. Okay.
Two people missed. One was injured, one was transferred to the hospital, and another employee that they...
Do you know what type of injuries? Have there been any smaller explosions? We were getting reports of that. So one person is injured. What kind of injuries, you know? And then another was transported.
One was transported.
And then another is missing. And it got worse.
Okay, that's all we want to let y'all know about the shelter in place. There is a shelter in place. Where is the shelter in place? There was another plant employee that's missed.